Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired February 23rd, 2026. The topic of that episode was practicing sheathing the sword of fear. Swami, your insights.
The goal isn't to manage fear, but to know the truth. Life is perfect. And what we're calling life isn't that life. Life is hid with Christ in God, which is eternal, changeless, whole.
Looking for a new lease on a fearless life? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam